Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you how to solve this. It's called a Skewb. It's one of the easiest cubes to solve. So yep, let's do it. So the first thing you need to do is the white side, and the other centers don't even need to be done the right way or lined up, the same colors with the corners, as long as you have the white side done and then you have these two is the same color on all the sides, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So once you have your mixed up Skewb, you're just going to find the yellow center, which is in our case right here, and you're just going to pick any white corner that is in a easy position just to put down to the white side. So let's say this one right here. I can't put this down to the white side like that, but if I twist it down, I can see the white needs to be right here where the blue is. So if I keep track of that, lift this up, then I can twist this right here so that the white is right there. So let's do that. White's right there now, so now I can twist it down like that. And now if I look at this, we have blue right here, which means that once we put this piece right here, there's going to be white here, and then there's going to be blue here. And there's only one other piece besides this one that has white and blue on it, which is this one right here. So we're going to have to lift this up, and then I can see the white needs to be right here. So again, I can just lift this up and then twist this to where the white is right there. Put this back down, and then we did mess this one up, so we can just put that one back down there like that. Moving on, where we can see this piece has red on it right here, which means we need to have the piece that has white and red. Again, it's already where it needs to be, just it's twisted the wrong way. So we can see white needs to be right here, so you can keep track of that. And then right here, twist the white where it needs to go, put this back down. And in this case, we did twist this corner out of the way. So if I go to put it back, it's not there the right way. So we're gonna, so when we go to put it back, we're gonna keep going, and then we're gonna twist this so that it's back how it needs to go, and then down, and then we can just fix this corner that we messed up right there. And for the last corner, you don't need to look for any specific color. There's only one more corner. There's only one more that it can be, which is this one. And if we put it down here, it's twisted the wrong way, and we can see white needs to be right here, so we can keep track of that. White needs to be right there, so we can twist this so that the white goes right there like that, and we can put this back down. And again, we messed this one up. So like we did earlier, we're gonna keep twisting it like this, twist it to how it's supposed to go, put the white down, and then put this one back like that. So the next step is to get the yellow corners. That we're gonna do the yellow side, but first we have to do the just the yellow corners. So the white's in the bottom, opposite side is the yellow corners. So yeah, let's do it. So besides the case of the yellow corners already being done, there are only two cases, and they're both pretty easy. So the first one is where you have these are called headlights, which you're going to hold off to the left, and then the other two yellow ones are right here, one in the back, one in the front. So you're going to hold the headlights off to the left, and then you're going to do this algorithm. You're going to go up, and make sure not to accidentally do the front up like this. You're going to do the back up, and then up on the other side, and then down, and that'll fix it. The other thing that can happen is when you have two yellows on the top that are diagonal from each other, and then these two. So you're gonna keep these diagonal, and you're gonna have these two right here, like this, one off to the right, one off to the front, and you're gonna go ahead and do that algorithm again. So up, down, down, and then you're gonna have the first case that I showed you, where you have headlights, and then these two, one in the back, one in the front. So you're gonna keep those headlights to the left, and do the algorithm again, up, down, down, and now we have these. The step to finishing the yellow side is also pretty easy. And then after this, we only have one more step to do. So yep. So what you're gonna do once you solve these is you're gonna look around for the yellow center, which is right here, and once you have it, you're gonna keep it facing you. So once you do that, you're gonna do that up, up, down, down again. So up, up, down, down, and once you do that, then you're gonna realize you have the headlights again, which you need to move off to the left, and then you can just do it again, up, up, down, down, and now you have the yellow side. The last step is just finishing it off. So yep. So the most common thing that happens once you finish the white and the yellow is this case where we have it's called a U-perm. So it's when you have these three sides that aren't done, and then you still have the white and yellow done, and then you have another random side that's done. So when this happens, you're gonna put that random side down and look at these this top color on the corners, which is green. So then we have to turn the cube around until we have the green center in the front. And just like we did with the yellow, we're gonna do the same thing again, up, up, down, down. And we have those headlights again, which we move off to the left, and then up, up, down, down, and that'll finish it off. Another thing that can happen is called a Z-perm, and it's when you have where the two centers are swapped on two sides, and the other two sides the centers are swapped again. So if this happens, you're gonna it doesn't really matter how you hold it, you can just hold it. The only way you have to make sure is that the white and yellow are off to the sides. Doesn't matter which sides, as long as they're white and yellow off to the side. So, and then you can just from there on hold it however, and then do up, up, down, down, and then rotate it around, because since the green corners on the top, we have the headlights here, so we gotta rotate it around and do up, up, down, down. And now we have a U-perm, which is what we had earlier. So look at this, the top, which is blue center in the front, up, up, down, down. We got the blue headlights, which we turn around to the left, up, up, down, down, and it's solved. So the last thing that can happen is called an H-perm, and it's where the two centers on top and bottom are swapped, and then on these two are also swapped. And then this, you're literally gonna do the exact same thing. The only thing you have to do is make sure that the white and yellow on the side, and you can hold it however you want, and then do up, up, down, down. And then since we had green in the top, we have the headlights here, which you're gonna again move to the left, up, up, down, down. Now again you have a U-perm again, so solve side down. These are red, so we gotta have the red center in front, up, up, down, down, turn it, and then headlights are here, turn it around, up, up, down, down, and it's solved. So yeah, that's literally it. It's really easy. There are other much more advanced methods with a lot of algorithms, but that are way faster. But if you just want to learn how to solve it, then yep, there you go. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video.